Good morning, and today we are talking about limit switches. Limit switches are reliable, they're also mechanical, and they work in any position. They're normally mounted with two number 4 screws. They have 3 terminals, very similar to this one, same thing. You've got 3 terminals, you've got a switch here, an arm which activates a tiny red switch you can see right in there. I took this red cover off to show you the inner workings of this. Now this arm has 2 locations actually. It can be put in here or put in here. That's about a 1/4 inch difference. And when you activate the switch from the arm, you'll notice it can go to either one of these. Okay, we can go back and forth, but the ground, the common, the bottom one is always used. So here I've got a simple circuit, 1 LED, no resistor. I activate the switch and it's going to turn on. Okay, now you notice that the gray and the yellow wires, they're not red and black, and the reason is there's no positive or negative on a limit switch. All you're doing is closing or opening a circuit. If I were to take this top gray, remove the yellow wire, and put the gray wire in there, now the switch is always on. The LED is lit. If I activate the limit switch, it's going to turn it off. Now, also, we need to think that because of the different sizes and the 3 terminals, sometimes it gets a little bit confusing. Try it out before you mount it and make sure that your wires are exactly where you want them to be. So, that's it for limit switches. See you later.